A few days ago, Ninestars Group held a major press conference and everyone was very interested. Ninestars Group is a Chinese-founded, trash can manufacturing company dominating the US market with its highly advanced technology. Now, let's have an exclusive interview with the CEO, Mr. Shipping Wang, to hear about his entrepreneurial journey and how his product was invented.
Thank you very much to the media for your attention. Let me share my story. The smart trash can with UV odor neutralizing technology that we just launched has raised a lot of questions about why we decided to make this product. In fact, we have always been involved in new product development. I've been in business for 40 years, and this month marks exactly 40 years. Over 35 of those years have been focused on new product development. This means that for the past 35 years, I can guarantee that all the products we have produced are original patented products created by our company. This is one of our company's unique features. Let me continue with the first two products. The first one is the electric mosquito swatter, which we launched in 1994. It was the world's first electric mosquito swatter, created by me. Then in 2000, we invented the electronic sensor automatic lid opening trash can, which is now commonly referred to as the smart trash can. In 2000, when we first entered the trash can industry, I had been working with mechanical products. The success of the electric mosquito swatter showed great market potential and solved a common problem: mosquito control. This led me to focus on developing the electronic sensor automatic lid opening trash can. The response from consumers has been great, and the product has sold very well. There are two products that I was the first to create in this market: the electric mosquito swatter and the sensor trash can. Before my design, trash cans relied on foot pedals or manual lids. I was the first to apply electronic technology to a trash can. While some may think it's just a gimmick, but that's not the case. These aren't just flashy ideas. They're simple yet practical innovations that make everyday life more convenient. We've been partnering with Walmart in the US for 20 years now. For a product to stay in a store for 20 years, especially one company, is quite rare. Maybe only 2 or 3% of companies achieve that. Yet, our products continue to be bestsellers, and this ongoing success fuels our drive for new product development and innovation. Some friends ask me, "What new things are you working on?" These questions actually motivate me. I've often said to my friends that before I officially retire from the business world, I'd love to invent something great, something that will leave behind a valuable legacy. You have this passion. Doesn't it get tough sometimes? I'd say it's not tough at all. Yes, there are hardships and challenges, but my heart doesn't feel burdened. I spend most of my time working with hardly any time for leisure. There's no time for traveling or anything like that. Hard work is hard work, and challenges are challenges, but my heart is not burdened. Everyone has their own interests, right? Over time, some friends summed it up, saying that what I embody is the so-called craftsman spirit. Just a week ago, we officially launched our latest product, a sensor-activated trash can enhanced with UV optronics technology for odor elimination. I believe this is the third truly standout product among my inventions. This product is bound to enter millions of households. It's inevitable. Back when I created the electric mosquito swatter, I had the same feeling. I knew it was something everyone needed. Yet some of my closest friends opposed the idea. They found it hard to believe, saying, "Why make this? Just use mosquito coils. You'll never get rid of all the mosquitoes anyway." But reality proved otherwise. Over time, people embraced the product because it was simple, effective, and solved a real problem. Now, nearly every household has one. I believe this new smart trash can will follow the same path, becoming an essential part of everyday life. I've asked this question in various settings, including large gatherings. Who here has never used an electric mosquito swatter? Please raise your hand. Every time, no one raises their hand. That shows how widespread this product has become. It's something almost everyone uses. The sensor trash can is similar. When I created the odor neutralizing trash can, I was really excited about it. The sample of this trash can was made, and we applied for a new patent in China. Then, when we applied for the patent in the US, my patent agent received the sample and took it forward. He told me, "Mr. Wang, this product is definitely going to sell very well." I asked, "What do you mean by that?" He said, "After using this odor-neutralizing trash can, I can't go back to using a regular one. It's just so convenient." Once he said that, it really solidified my belief in the product. The sample he was holding was round, and now the product is even better than before. Every new product we create only strengthens my confidence, and this one will be a big success. In everyday life, some products may seem great at first, but they're often short-lived, only lasting a year or two before disappearing from the market. Our goal is for the products we create to have lasting value, remaining relevant for the long term. I entered the trash can industry around the year 2000, and at that time, I didn't know much about it. Back then, people weren't very particular about trash cans. However, once electronic technology was applied to trash cans, it completely changed the dynamics of the industry. With the introduction of electronics, people's expectations for trash cans have increased in terms of appearance, structure, and usability. However, one major issue has been odor control. Many have tried different methods to tackle this, but most have failed. We've also made various attempts. This issue is tied to the rising standard of living. In the past, people didn't pay as much attention to these things. For example, at our company, after lunch, employees dispose of their food waste. As we live in an environment where cleanliness and convenience are increasingly important, these small details become more significant. In the US, people only take out the trash once a week, usually on Fridays. By Tuesday or Wednesday, when you walk past, you can smell the trash. People may get used to it, but it's unpleasant. That's when I started brainstorming. I thought, if we could solve this odor problem, it would be a huge improvement. In reality, we went through a lot of trial and error to get there. We couldn't solve the issue for a long time, but finally, we came up with a solution for deodorizing. After conducting tests, we found it worked wonderfully. We turned it into a product. Drawing from my experience in marketing consumer products, I was confident this product would definitely make its way into homes everywhere. It was bound to succeed. I also shared this belief with my colleagues and employees. Though I'm older now, I still have a sharp mind. We may not always come up with the best ideas, but I hope there will still be some good ones. Not everything will be groundbreaking. What's most important is that we pass on the company's spirit, with the feeling that we're an innovative enterprise. This is a matter of passing down the spirit, which is rooted in craftsmanship. If you want to succeed in this market, it's about having that mindset. For the company to continue to survive and grow, we need to keep introducing new products. I believe that with the release of our third product, the image of our company will be seen differently in the minds of consumers. Moreover, we've always maintained high standards for the quality of our products. Our commitment to quality has always been a core value of our company. I must mention that when I was working on the electric mosquito racket, I successfully introduced it to over 80 trade markets in China. Even the director of the State Intellectual Property Office paid attention to our company. This shows that we have a unique approach when it comes to patents. In the future, we will continue to follow this path. The key to our success is not only the recognition we've gained from society, but also the impact on the company's growth. Our company has been around for 40 years, and this longevity is due to our continuous introduction of new products. It's this innovation that has enabled us to survive and thrive in the market. I always remind my colleagues not to get too comfortable. Society is constantly advancing, whether in China or the US, with many pushing for innovation. No matter how great your ideas are, you can't just rely on them. Our goal is to stay ahead technologically in our industry. I've always said to keep running and not let anyone pass you. Now, I can confidently say that with our smart deodorizing trash can, we are leading the market. This product is currently unique and unmatched.